Hello, this is Builder Elephant, and with me is Builder Cheetah. And Builder Cheetah wanted to build a BrickHeadz Bob-omb from Super Mario. Bob-omb.
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 Stop.
Okay, sorry. You're already getting annoyed by my daddy jokes. Okay, so this is Builder Cheetah's creation. And we worked on it together, we built it together, but Builder Cheetah made all the decisions. The final decisions always went to him. And the first thing he did was he used this. What is that?
It's a Bob-omb from Peach's Castle in a Lego Super Mario set. And I looked at my dad's shirt because Bob-omb was on it, and then it just gave me a really good idea to build one. So I took it out of the package, and now we built the BrickHeadz. I know, and then we're both wearing our Super Mario shirts right now, so we're getting in the mood. But this is the he has more characters.
Bob-omb that Builder Cheetah here designed. And Builder Cheetah, let's talk about it, okay? So first off, let's talk about the front. Why'd you do what you did with the front face?
I think these eyes, I tried to make them like round, but then when I did the oval eyes, they were kind of half.
Yeah, so we tried to do an extended half circle eye like this to get that oval white look of a Bob-omb.
But the eyes are oval, not half.
Right,
so it looks like it's two half.
And we tried a circle, but it just didn't look right either. Just a flame white tile.
It may look like right to you.
Yeah, exactly. And we were talking about that when we made this video. We had different ideas, and neither one was wrong or right. When you're building Lego, you build what you want to build and what you think works. So
yes, I'm going to be back in a second.
I think he's getting more Lego products. So that is the front, and we use the tile pieces to make it nice and smooth. The sides are completely smooth, and I'm kind of stalling here because now on the back here, you're going to see how Builder
Characters.
That's the character packs. You're going to see how Builder Cheetah did these 1x2 plate pieces with a handle to look like the wind-up part. I'm like doing backwards here. The wind-up part of our Bob-omb. And that is the finished look of our Bob-omb. Now,
Bowser symbol.
The Bowser symbol. He's going to try to put that in a lot. My idea, which was to use the handle that came with his Bob-omb figure from the Peach set and just put that on the back like this. But he didn't like that. And I like the fact that Builder Cheetah used pieces to create his own handle. That was so creative. And he didn't want to take this set apart because I have no problem taking my set apart and using them for these MOCs. But Builder Cheetah's like, nope, this is a special character. I only have one of them, so I don't want to take them apart.
I have one of them, but this is the only one with this on it.
Right. Oh yeah. He does have other. Yeah, the Super Mario. You got a lot of the characters.
This is not from Super Mario, but it is from something cool.
What's it cool from?
I forgot, but it's like a book with a bunch of different things you could build, and it actually works. Yeah,
you got a Technic building set. Now, do you want to talk about the top flame piece?
Oh yeah. Well, you go.
So originally, we thought maybe of putting just a 1x1 plate here, just a regular 1x1 round plate, but instead, you wanted to put this 1x1 tile with pinhole.
Yeah, but then I almost did the small fire. Then I realized, like this fire, but then I realized that it would not be good because.
Well, it wasn't the right choice for you. Remember, we're talking about there's no right or wrong with Lego. It's what you want to build, and that's what we really want to focus on.
Because this is a bigger model, and having a small fire didn't just seem right to me.
Yeah, I agree. And that was your opinion, right? So if maybe our viewers are going to want to use that small flame, or maybe they'll want to use your original idea where you put that 1x1 plate on and you did the slope piece, the cheese wedge slope in this translucent orange, because you tried to make a flame out of a cheese wedge slope. That was so creative. All right, now.
Hey, it's the Bowser symbol of the frame.
It is so hard to get these things in focus when you're looking at the monitor backwards. So basically, when we move up, the film goes down. So it's like, it takes time. Like, oh wait, I'm going down, but the character's going up. I'm going up, but the character's going down. So it's so hard to focus. Do you want to talk about your feet? So I'm going to take the feet off so you can show them how you did the Bob-omb's feet.
I used these
So we'll go back, and that is a 1x1 round brick
I also used one of these.
and a 1x2 plate piece, just a 1x2 plate piece.
Slope.
And a cheese wedge slope. That's right, the cheese wedge slope kind of act as the toes, the feet. And so you just put those two, you put the 1x2 plate on the cheese wedge slope, put that round brick there, and he put the round brick into the hole, the bottom hole of those 2x6, or sorry, 2x4 plates on the bottom. So if you kind of look there, you see how it goes right into that hole.
Bob-omb.
We have many, many Super Mario games in this house. But this is Builder Cheetah's Bob-omb that he created. He designed the BrickHeadz Bob-omb. I'm so proud of him, his creativity. My favorite part of your imagination was the wind-up handle in the back, using the 1x2 plates with the clips. I thought that was so creative of you. I loved it. But anything you want to say to our audience, since this was your creation?
Yes. You could do whatever you want. If you don't think something's right with this model, you could like build this model but just like a little different. Or you could build it a big difference. It doesn't really matter.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.